and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. And today I'm cooking in the Ooni Karu 16 with a gas burner. Let's do it. Right, I've made the pizza. I'm just going to get this in. Okay, this is on full. I'm cooking on full just to see. It's my first ever gas-fired pizza cook. Just need to see how it goes. And yeah, I am cooking on full flame. I want to see how it cooks the top of the salami with no cheese on top, so it's basically getting the edge there. And I'm gonna turn. The lid back on. Done. So what do I think of this cook? I enjoyed cooking on full flame. I don't think I'd use a lower flame than full flame in this oven, because the test for me is how it cooks the top of my salami, which is naked, no cheese on it or anything to protect it. I did have the pizza quite forward, but then I think it cooked the edges really well. And the base was at 430, I think. It was alright, cooked it okay. I liked the way it cooked my toppings. I certainly wouldn't cook on less than full flame using this oven with a door on. But it cooked these salami pieces really nicely. Okay, so the oven says 464 in the center, so let's check what that is on the stone. 472, 469. I'm gonna just keep it off a minute. I want it to go to 50. Okay, it's 450 in the center. So this is going in. Okay, let's do this. So 430 centigrade in the center just was not hot enough. It didn't really cook my base, but it wasn't as good as it should be. It could have been hotter. So I've now put up to 450 centigrade in the center. So I'm hoping now it doesn't overcook it. I think I need to turn it. So my other cook was my dough. This is the Ooni sourdough. Done. Second attempt, different dough. Let's see. It was 450 degrees centigrade on the stone, and I just want to show you what happened to the base at 450 in the center. Or maybe you think that's slightly, have I slightly overdone that? I'm not sure. I think that was the bit nearer the back of the oven. But just testing this oven out. And so it's really important to make sure I don't burn or undercook my base. Oh wow. Also, the way it's cooked the top, there, rather than it's got it there. So I'm a big fan of Ooni's sourdough. I'm still going through them. They've lasted me a long time because I don't use them all the time, but it's nice to do some tests with these ovens using it, and then also using my dough and see how they come out. Because not everybody makes their own dough, and I just wanted to show what pre-made dough balls, if you do buy them, how they get tested in these ovens as well. So overall, I'm going to say that I've got used to the gas burner chimney already. I've never used a gas burner with a chimney before. I don't have the Ooni Karu 12 new burner, but as soon as it gets in stock, I'll go and buy it. I'll try it with my dough at 450. And if it comes out exactly like this, I'm going to go back down to 440. So it's just a bit of testing. Let me know what you cook at and what your bases come out like in the comments below. But please let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are of the gas burner and the heat up time of the oven and the way it cooks your pizza. Thanks for supporting this channel. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.